was wondering when it was going to get there. But finally, it's the head of the local organizing committee for the Tokyo Olympic Games saying he's seriously worried about the coronavirus on this year's Summer Games. I mean, Japan is the regional neighbor of China, which is the epicenter of this mysterious and deadly virus. The LOC boss says he's increasingly worried about the disruption to the build-up to the Games, while stating that there are no immediate plans to cancel the Olympics. But the coronavirus has them worried. But why not though? Why not even ponder the possibility of canceling the Olympics? Because no one seems to know anything about this virus, not even its specific name. And it won't be the first time that the Olympic Games would be disrupted. In 1916, there were no games because of World War I, and again in 1940 and 1944 because of World War II. I mean, it would be a sad and desperate last resort and would be a massive blow for our athletes and for the Jamaican people who would miss some precious feel-good moments. But you know, sometimes we have to understand that there are one or two things that matter more than sports, and one of those things is life itself. So make we brace ourselves for the worst and go and hope for the best. So as we speak right now, the Olympics are keep. Yes. Olympics are keep, but just for the time being. Just for the time being. For the time